is going on, everybody? It is Ian here with Miller Garage Airstreams, and I am still alive, if any of you were wondering. We are still in business, still doing Airstreams, selling Airstream products, all of that. We have just been so slammed that I have not had a chance to make any YouTube content or really post anything on social media or any of that, as well as at times even reply to emails. I'm very sorry about that if you have reached out to us and I haven't gotten back to you. Right now I'm standing in a trailer that is one of 4 that we are building. This has been a massive project for us this year, and I'm going to talk a little bit about that here in a minute as well as in another video. But first of all, I wanted to say that I just want to encourage everybody, if you are working on your Airstream project and you're kind of hitting a slump, which happens to, I would say, pretty much everyone who is tackling one of these projects, and you're just kind of getting overwhelmed. There's so much to do. It's taking way longer than you expected. I want to first of all say that you're not alone. I experienced that. Everyone who works on these experiences that. So oftentimes it's good to kind of take a little break, take a breather, and then reevaluate and kind of go, okay, I'm going to reset my expectations. This is probably going to take longer than I expected. And, is there any way that I can bring in any sort of outside help to help jumpstart this project? And to be honest, that is where we come in. We have a lot of products and resources that can help you jumpstart your project rather. And we want to, help you out in that way. So the number one way is just watch our YouTube videos. I have a lot of content out there. Some of the older stuff, I'll say, we are definitely doing things differently. Some of the really old polishing videos, we've completely changed our approach. We're not using the Eastwood drum polisher anymore. We're doing everything with the airway wheels. Happy with that. And we have all of that stuff on our website. We've got the Airstream U video showing how to polish, and all of that. So check out some of those videos. You can also reach out to me, and I am going to be available for consulting. Unfortunately, with how busy I am between, obviously, the shop alone, just this business takes up an immense amount of time, but I have 6 kids and a family and property and, animals and all that kind of stuff that I still have to take care of. So I won't be able to just answer questions like, just give you my time, but I am available for consulting. We also have Airstream U, airstreamu.com. You can check out our online courses. We are planning on adding more stuff there, especially when it comes to doing some of the interior build-out stuff, so watch out for that. Second thing is we have a lot of really fantastic products available on our website that can help you speed up your renovation. Some of the big ones are some of our metal products. I'm standing in this trailer. As you can see, it has all new interior skins in it. This is our custom cut set. This is something that we do on our CNC router table, so this is very precise. We've had a ton of people buying them. We've been so busy we can't even keep metal in stock because we're just going through these so much. And a lot of happy people. This has been a huge success for just helping people tackle this, because a lot of times when you buy an Airstream, there's not the original interior aluminum in it, so you have to come up with something, or you don't want to reuse the original aluminum, which I generally do not suggest. I think you're going to be much happier with something like this. I know it's money and all of that, but that's just what these projects are. It costs money. So, but I'm super happy with how these are going. We are aiming for around an eighth of an inch of tolerance for your trailer whenever you give us the measurements and get them to us properly. I am actually going to be updating our video. We have changed the process a little bit just to make it even easier. But we had a renovation shop. They bought a set from us, and they said it took about an hour to get all the measurements with 2 people, which we do recommend 2 people and being redundant on it. And they had budgeted a week and a half to install the skins. And when they got them, they started and they got them installed in 2 days. And they were just over the moon excited about how easy it was, how much better it was. We have the video that goes along with it to show you exactly how to do everything. And so we are trying to make this just as smooth and straightforward as possible. So with all that to be said, right now we are running a site-wide promotion. So everything on our website is 10% off for Black Friday. This is through December 8th, so take advantage of that. If you are interested in getting the skins, you can always get them now, and then if you're not ready for them, I would suggest communicating with us, waiting until you are ready to install them, because here's part of the problem is that we keep the plastic on them to keep them protected, obviously. But if they sit, especially in like the heat, which I know it's winter right now, it's not as big of a deal, but even so, if you let them sit for like, I would say 2 or 3 months beyond that, the plastic becomes incredibly hard to get off, and then it leaves like a sticky residue, and you don't want to deal with that. So if you order them, take advantage of the sale right now, because 10% off, that's like up to $450 off, so that's a big savings. But then we can send them to you later. We can get all the measurements, get everything in and ready to go, and when you're ready for them, we can cut them and send them to you. So, or if you just want to get them now, either way. So we have those promotions going on. We have our, if you just need this, the segment sets, if you need a 7-pin wiring harness, polishing stuff, all that stuff, now is the time to stock up, get your project jump started, and we would love to help you keep it moving, because these things do stall out. So then the next thing I wanted to dive into that's going to be happening this week is we are finally launching our furniture, like our CNC modular furniture cabinetry line of products. So in this trailer, everything that is in here that's built on the build out is cut on our CNC. It is very easy to put together. I mean, we basically cut this and then prep everything, and I'm gonna do a video showing all of this, but it took me 1 day to assemble everything and put it together, and that's like all the cabinets, the benches, all that stuff. So all that stuff, it took me 1 day to put it all together. And then the walls took another day, because there's a total of 6 panels front to back in this particular trailer. Walls take a little bit longer just because you have to fit them, and I'm really particular about getting the fit just right. I mean, I like it to just be perfectly scribed in there. So, so 2 days to put all of it in, and it's just changed how we do things here, and we really think that it's going to revolutionize how people are building these trailers. So all of that is going to be launching on Friday, and it is a pre-sale right now. With everything we have going on, is what I'm wanting to do is do a pre-sale, see the response, and then we're going to start cutting probably like mid-December or 1st of January. Part of it is I have to get see where everything is, and then buy plywood to make sure that we have everything that we need for that. We're going to be starting off with 4 different finishes or wood species to offer you guys. I think that it covers a wide range of what people want. We have options up to a bunch, but I just want to see kind of where everything lands. If somebody wants something specific, you can reach out to us and we can talk about that. But right off the bat, we're going to be just keeping it simple. So all of that, I'm super excited, because this has made things incredibly easy, and I'm going to do a whole video detailing that, and then we have videos on how to put it all together and all that stuff. So that is coming this week, and it is going to be big, so keep an eye out for that. We're going to drop all that, like I said, Friday. So all of that is on the way to make your project so much easier. All right, well, I appreciate all of you. Sorry that I have been MIA. I do have plans to be putting out more videos. We have some stuff like insulation that we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about actually like how to make money with an Airstream and not just spend money on an Airstream, because that's easy to do. Anybody can do that. So look for all that stuff coming, and as well as all the modular furniture drop. And I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. If you're watching it after this, then and we will see you next time.